Wow, this is incredible. I've never seen anything like it. It's so clean.
Ever wondered how chocolate is made in a high-tech factory?
Modern factories use advanced technology to select the best cocoa beans.
Powerful machines grind and mix chocolate with extreme precision. Every step is monitored to ensure perfect taste and quality.
Chocolate is shaped with incredible accuracy.
Robots package each bar with speed and perfection. This is how modern technology creates perfect chocolate.
Have you ever wondered how chocolate is made? From the bean all the way to the bar?
In this state-of-the-art facility, the ancient art of chocolate making meets the precision of modern robotics.
Challenges of traditional farming are immense, but as we transition to automated facilities, technology is reshaping the industry entirely.
By precisely monitoring the flavor compounds, we ensure every batch reaches its peak fermentation potential. The journey of chocolate has been shaped by innovation. What began as rustic stone
Share your
grinding.
chocolate making thoughts in the comments. And for more recipes or history, check out the suggested videos.